Yes, they are bringing $99 drone in front of you using Facebook ad and YouTube ad and making you crazy for placing order. But you must understand truth before placing order for this cheapest SkyQuad drone. The visuals in those ads were from some other device, perhaps a DJI drone, and you are going to receive some other poor quality device. Look at the remarks posted by people about those Facebook ads and YouTube ads. Don't jump for orders after seeing heavy discount. Friends, heavy discount often leads to scams.